How to use SEO essentials in Squarespace. In order to do that, first, head over to your Squarespace website, and from there you should be able to see here this left sidebar. Proceed to click on this website option. From there you can see this SEO or AIO. Click on that, and from in there you should be able to see this. So here is our SEO completion score. Here is our AI optimization blog, and you can see in here the traffic. So just newly created this blog, so there's no traffic yet. And in here is our checklist for our SEO journey. Click on this right here in order to proceed with your first list on your actual SEO. Proceed to log in back right there. Here is our SEO checklist. You can proceed to watch a video and seeing here the site information, site design, and just proceed to actually read it all together. Now, once you have successfully read it, it will check right out this here on this one. You can also add an FAQ to boost visibility, explore AI resources, and review keywords on Google Search Console. Once you have everything under this, you should be able to actually have it ready. And you can find in here as well some tools to manage your optimization like search appearance, console, social sharing, and you can also help improve your site with AI. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.